morning humans, XZanthia here, and we are still in Antalya, Turkey, and we're gonna go get some lunch right now. I guess we've been here about 6 days so far. We're actually gonna be here until like the following Sunday, so it's gonna be really great. Here we go! Because of our dietary restrictions, we're having a little bit of trouble finding some of the things that we want at the restaurant. So we're gonna go grocery shopping, see how that is. Oh, well, I guess I won't smoke, because this would really be discouraging. This is for you people who smoke. Don't do it. It's no good. It makes you. I mean, besides this, yeah, gives you stinky breath. Who wants that? They're chanting again. I love it. It's really cool. We've been walking around a lot. We have experienced so many just culture shock, and it's been super amazing. The people here have been really nice. You do have to be worried about scams. I hate to say that, but they'll charge you a lot extra, especially if they know that you're from a country that's more wealthy like America. So you just got to be a little bit careful about that. And one of the main reasons why I came here actually was to get my teeth redone, because after my braces, my teeth are no longer straight. They're not straight, but like they're snaggletooth. I'm snaggletooth now. So I was going to get veneers in America, but then I decided to get them done here because one of my neighbor was going to get his done. So we came to Turkey because in America it was like $20,000, but here it's only like $6,000. So I've already got the first level done a few days ago, and I'm going back in today actually to get some more done. It's a whole process, but anyway, we're gonna go to another restaurant and go check it out. We've been eating out a lot. It's been really interesting, the whole food situation, and oh my God, the ruins. There's ruins everywhere, all throughout the city.
Hello. Which one do you want? Strawberry, blueberry, pistachio, vanilla, chocolate. Pistachio. Vanilla, Viagra. Turkish Viagra. Extra one more Viagra free. Thank you.
Oh no.
All right. All right. Hey. Wait.
So, although this looks really fun, and these people are talented, you know, with their little tricks that they do with the ice cream. This guy here actually charged us 400 lira, 430 lira for these ice creams. So, you know, that was a bit much. But we paid him, even though the last time we got this ice cream earlier in the day, it was only 30 lira. And he charged us 400, so gotta watch out. High five.
Oh my God. What is your name? Noah. My name is Poyraz. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, brother. What you gonna do? You got a bad girl. What you gonna do? Stack like money, sweet like sugar. Hello, I say. What you gonna do? You got a bad girl. What you gonna do with her? Thank you, brother. Thank you.
What are you doing, kitty? What are you doing? Kitty, got nothing for you. So we got our bus card and we paid when we got on, and we were expecting to get one of the bigger buses, but we got this little bus and it's pretty cool. We got to see a bunch of the locals come on here. And then when we were driving about 30, 45 minutes in, the bus driver started to yell at us. So we decided to get off the bus and just walk. Going somewhere. I don't know where. We're out in the boonies actually. Uh-oh, lost Noah. We're at our bus stop, hopefully. It's a wee bit of an adventure, and I must admit, a little bit scared. Good news, we found the bus, or the bus found us. This is beautiful. So we're coming down here. We can hear the waterfalls. They're down there. Seems like a really nice place to just relax all day. We're here later in the day. It's very touristy, but it's not bad. This is all fish. Fish.
Moss in the ground. It's like so big.
Yeah. Oh, no, it went up there. Of course he did. It's not the easy way. How you like it?
Those stalactites from water?
Yep.
Very mossy.
Crinkly, crinkly. It's important to stay hydrated. I've been making tea. No tourists up here. Just the cicadas. And these ones speak Turkish. They're everywhere. I demand to know what's up here. Doesn't seem very accessible. So all of these stones here, this is a little hard to see because there's moss all over it, but this is all natural occurring concrete, something that man learned to harvest and recreate. This reminds me of our first date. We were crawling through all the rocks.
What were we doing?
We were doing this exact thing, but in America. It is very warm, very humid. It's just like Florida. But there's rocks here, which makes it better. We have cicadas too. There's a crab right there. What's it doing? What's it doing? Hey, what you doing? So we've been climbing up a lot of steps. Looks like we're almost back at the top. Well, that was fun and just a little bit scary, the way I like my adventures. And we're back now at the room. And I'm on the balcony here. It's pretty neat, huh? Thank you very, very much for checking out my show, and leave a comment and all that jazz, and I will see you again tomorrow. Love you. Bye.
Thank you very much. Make it to the end of our video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, Mr. Tank, what are 3 things you think they should do right here? Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.
Hey, Tank, I'd like your help with a project.
Yeah?
Yeah, could you help me with this thing? I know you have a problem with cursing and stuff, so I really appreciate it if you can keep it down.
Right.
But, I mean, not at all. But I need a little intro kind of thing for our Patreon people so we can get some more subscriptions.
You mean donations?
Yeah, some donations.
Oh, that's not a problem. I
Yeah,
can do donations.
help us out with our studio and stuff.
These videos, they take a lot of time, they take a lot of effort for all you bitches. We're chasing paper, give us your money, so we can keep being funny.
Thank you, I guess.
Your lips, they